Everyone knew that at present we are living in the era of Wi-Fi, where number of Wi-Fi devices in every few meters is rapidly increasing. But for how many more years we will travel with it is a sure to ask question. The answer started to evolve and develop from around 2011. Yes, we are going to see about Li-Fi technology. Here we will discuss about what is Li-Fi, its history, working of Li-Fi, comparison of Li-Fi with Wi-Fi, its advantages and disadvantages, and its applications. Li-Fi stands for Light Fidelity. It is a wireless optical networking technology with full duplex communication that uses LEDs for data transmission. Li-Fi uses visible light spectrum rather than radio waves. This image shows the position of visible light spectrum in this spectrum chart. Also, Li-Fi is the only form of visible light communications that uses LED for data transmission. Professor Harald Haas from Germany coined the term Li-Fi during his appearance at TED Talk Global in 2011. I have included the TED Talk video link in the description. Kindly have a look at it. In his talk on the topic wireless data from every light bulb, he spoke about issues like capacity, availability, efficiency, and security of wireless data transmission. In 2012, he co-founded a Li-Fi company called Pure VLC Limited. Later it changed its name to Pure Li-Fi. This is the logo of the company. Next, in working, first, the content is received from the server and internet and given to the lamp driver, which drives the current to the LED lamp. At receiver side, the receiver dongle consists of photo detector, which detects the light, and the data is received by the receiver. As we all know, LED bulbs are semiconductors. Thus, the current supplied to the bulb is continuously modulated, that is, switch on and switch off at extremely high rate, which is not visible to human eyes. Let's see how this happens. First, when LED is on, it refers to the binary number 1, which in the form of light is received by the photoreceiver. When it is off, it refers to the binary number 0, which in the form of light is received by the photoreceiver. Then, comparing Li-Fi with Wi-Fi. As we all know, Li-Fi uses visible light. Thus, the visible light coverage distance is approximately small, that is about 10 meters, whereas Wi-Fi uses radio waves and its range is about 30 meters. The speed of Li-Fi is 1 gigabits per second approximately, whereas it is maximum of 2 gigabits per second in Wi-Fi. Currently we are using Wi-Fi at a frequency range of 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, whereas it is 10,000 times more in terms of Li-Fi. Li-Fi works well in highly dense environment, whereas Wi-Fi works in less dense environment. Next, its advantages and disadvantages. The advantage of Li-Fi is the speed is extremely greater than Wi-Fi as discussed previously, and the data is also more secure. Since the coverage distance of Li-Fi is only about 10 meters, the data cannot penetrate through the walls, and thus the data is more secure. Disadvantages are interference issues like other light sources including sunlight can be a major threat. Also, Li-Fi requires more system components to cover long distances for public networks. Applications. The great application of this technology is it can be used in aircrafts, underwater, street, car and traffic lights, and in hospitals where Wi-Fi is not predominantly used. Li-Fi in India. According to Times of India, as on 18th February 2021, 2 villages in Gujarat, India became the first to get Li-Fi. I have included this article link in the description. That's it. Thank you. For technologies and other related topics, subscribe to my channel and like and share my videos. Thank you.